That's a...
It's a little bigger. You see where Matt just did?
What? That's a nicer one, dude.
Yeah. Got a lot of... He's getting hit over here. Yeah. On this one. Let's check it out. Yep.
Oh, yep. He's on.
Oh, turn. All right. Hold on. Hold on. What do you do when you catch one like that? You hold it still. Yeah, we got some ground. Just like that, baby.
Yeah, this one's... Oh my god, this one has been caught before. Look at it, his face is ripped off.
That's
Finally on the jig. Firecracker, and I told you, I knew that color was going to work.
I don't know if something's on you or if you got something. Your line's moving like back and forth.
On the jig. Right there. He's off.
Yeah, you know, they're come on, friend. Oh, this was being on one line. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! A little bigger. Come on, get the line in there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wide open.
Tailwakers. Am I on you? No?
Oh, I lost my jig because I was messing around with this guy.
Big enough. They decide something.
Probably not going to keep any more until I catch a bigger one. Like 2 pounds.
Is it 5 here or is it?
Oh, I don't know, honestly.
5 there, yeah. 5 there.
Took a Santa Ana. Santa Ana, I'll keep 30 of them. Nobody cares. Dude, I hate...
Never catch 30.
I've caught 15 this entire season.
Yeah, they sent it.
Oh my god, I'm bit already.
Oh, I got bit too. Damn it. Trent, come here, love.
Oh, I'm on. It's...
Over here, baby.
Yeah.
Huh?
They're look at that. This one just ate it right here.
Hey, Matt.
That's a big one on the jig.
Very good.
Number 9. There it is, number 9. On the appleseed. Oh.
No, baby.
Am I over?
No, I am. Hold on. There you go.
Wide open. Wide open. Wide open.
How hard is it to get to the airport today?
Oh, that one's dead.